Large Jaguar. Again, this is from Safari LTD. And it is pretty cool. I suppose it's sort of a crazy pose. And this figure is no longer for sale on Safari LTD. If I didn't say that already. The artwork on this figure is pretty nice. I can't say that the colors are bad. Let's give you a side view. The colors look good. The pattern on it, though, doesn't quite say Jaguar on all of it. Maybe leopard. For artwork, it scores a 9 out of 10. Okay, so to me, the sculpt screams angry or fear. You can't really see it, but the ears are laid back. The face just looks like it's telling you to get lost. It has its paw out ready to swipe. It gets a 10 out of 10. Realism. As far as realism, it gets a point taken off because of the pattern, but it looks really good, and the aggressiveness is unique enough that I didn't take more points off. I like it. Closing thoughts. I don't have a mammal that looks like it's trying to scare someone away. So yeah, that drew my attention to it. So with that, I will see you guys in the next one.